So hello everyone. So this is our final project of our course, and we'll be doing a login system now. And for doing login system, we are using a Kinter module for graphical user interface, and for storing the login information and that is the username and passwords, we'll be using files concept. Okay, so and we will be using binary files, and I explained you a detailed binary files program in assignments of files. Okay, if you guys have any kind of doubt, just go there and clarify it. And if you still have anything, try to contact us and we will be helping you. Okay, so what are the modules? First one is inter module, and for binary files we will be using pickle module, right? So let us just create our main class root main loop, and let us update our geometry 400 by 400, and let us also disable the resizability 0, 0, and now let us just run this program. Yes, we got it. And now what should we do is, let us create L1 equal to label root comma, let us text equal to, first one is username, and next it should be a password, right? And for this username, let us create an entry box. Label root comma text, let us write password, and for this password let us create an entry box. E2 equal to entry of root, and now let us place them. L1 in place x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and next let us place E1. The x value will change so that it will move horizontally, and y value will be the same. And next what should we do is, let us place this L2 and E2. X equal to 0, y equal to, let us just take 40, and let us do the same with the E2, and E2 x equal to 100 and y should be the same so that they are properly aligned. Yes, we got username and username box, password and password box, and let us just create now a login button. B1 equal to button root comma text equal to login, B1 dot place, let us just place 180. Yes, login, it is perfect, right? And for the people who has never created an account, let us create a register page. And for register, let us just create a separate button first. Bu equal to button root comma text equal to, let us put register, and let us place B2 at the bottom. Let us just take x equal to 200 horizontally and y equal to 400. Let us take. Now let us just run it and let's see where does the register appear. Okay, 400, it has gone out of range, so let us just take it 380. Yes, we got register option here. So once we press register, a new window should open, and there should be a provision to write new username and new password and create account. Okay, so let us just create first let us write command equal to function name. Let us just write function name as register function, and let us create the register function here. Register function, And what shall we write here is, first let us create a new window, that is root1 equal to tk and root1 dot main loop. And inside the new window there should be provision for writing a new username and new password, right? So what shall we do is, let us just copy this first. Yes, and I just name them L3, E3, L4 and E4. And let us just put new username, new password. And now let us place them. L3 dot place x equal to 0, y equal to 0. E3 dot place x equal to 100, y equal to 0. And let us also place L4 and E4. L4 dot place, let us just take the similar which we took for the first window. E4 dot place x equal to 100 and y equal to 40. Now let us just check this, register. Okay, so here we need to write root1 because we created that new window, right? Okay, new username, the window is proper, and these two are not proper because we give the L4 and E4 same. Okay, L4 they should be 0, right? And let us also change the root1 geometry, and let us change it to 400 by 400. Now let us run this and let us go for register. Yes, new username, new password, and there should be a button for create an account. So let us just copy this. Let us just make it B3, and instead of login, what should be there now? Create account. Now let us see. Register. Okay, so this is root1. Register. Yes, we have create account here. And once we press create account, what should happen is the entered username and password should be dumped into the binary file so that the whole data will be stored in the binary file. Okay, so first we need to create a function. Let us put command. And what is the command now? Let us just put data. Okay, so now let us create a new function here, different data. And now we should open a file first. So what shall we do is, let us open a new file. And for example, let us just on Python course. Inside Python course, what I am doing is, let us just put data.dat. We have created a binary file. Okay, so let us go into Python course. So here is the data.dat file, that is the binary file. Just copy the whole thing, whole directory. And what you're gonna do is f equal to open and just write data.dat, and we are opening in the WP mode, that is nothing but writing mode. Why we are opening in writing mode? Because the entered data to create an account should be written inside that file, right? So what is the username? E3.get. And what is the password? Let us just take passw equal to E4.get. And let us just store them inside a dictionary, data1 equal to, and let us just write the key as user and password is also user, that is nothing but this one. And next, password. And what is the password? Passw. Okay, And let us just take an empty list first, and that let us take it globally so that it can be used anywhere. And let us append this into a list. Data dot. Okay, so let us just take list. Okay, dot append data 1. Okay, and finally what we're going to do is let us dump the whole data into dump the whole data into F, and after that let us just close it. Okay, and this is what we did. And next what we're going to do is, let me just run this, and new username, new password, and let me just write some XYZ and 1234, create account. And once I press this one, now let us try to open the dat file which we created. Let me just open with Notepad. There will be option to open with Notepad, and yes, user XYZ and password 1234, and remaining all the data which is readable only by the computer. Okay, so this is how you store the data inside the dat file. And next what you're going to do is let us write a function to validate whether the credentials are valid or not. That means username and password are matched. Then there should be an option to login, right? So let us create a function validate. Let us do it at the first. Validate. And what shall we do? Let us open the file, the same file. In the writing mode we should open, because we are trying to read the data which are present inside the file, right? And next let us load the data using pickle module. And for I in B, if I am, what are the keys which we used? User and password, right? User is double equal to e1.get, and I of password is equal to e2.get. That is nothing but e1 entry box is used for username and e2 entry box is used for password, right? So if the both of them are matched, then what shall we do? Let us create a new window, root2 equal to tk root2 dot main loop, and let us write alpha equal to, just put a label inside, root comma text equal to login successful. Let us place it alpha dot place, let us just place it x equal to 0 and y equal to 50. And or else if the credentials are not matched, what shall we do? And let us just put it inside a root, the main window, that your credentials are wrong. Alpha equal to label root comma text equal to, it is root 2, either username or password is incorrect. Now let us just place it x equal to 200 and y equal to 300. And now let us just try to run this. And since we have the one registered credentials, that is XYZ and 1234, let us run it. Okay, so we did not give the login function the function name, right? Where is the login button? And a command, let us just try to validate. Now XYZ 1234 login successful, so it is successfully there. And now let us just change 1 2 3 4 5. Let us enter. Either username or password is incorrect. Okay, let us just place it somewhere nicely. Let us just make it 100. Let us just write XYZ and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Either username or password is incorrect. And now what if I do 1 2 3 4? Yes, login is successful. A new window is opened. So this is how you use the login system. And I hope you guys understood. This is very simple, right? And what we did first, we created these things, and after that, we created a registration form. And for registration, there is an option. There is a function here, and inside the function, first we wrote this one: the new username, new password, and create account button. And once we click the create account, it will be redirected to this data function, and whatever the data which is entered by the user will be fetched into user and pass w, and we are dumping the data into one file. Okay, and next once we in the main window there are username and password, right? Once we press this and press the login, it will go into validate function. Once we open the go into validate function, a file is opened which the data is stored, and we will be checking if the username is entered, username entered is correct to the data which is present inside the file, and it's same also. It will check the password, and if both are same, we are creating a new window and we are creating a message that login successful, or else we are creating a label that either username or password is incorrect. Okay, and now let us just create one more thing, one more credential. Let us just take ABCD and 1 2 3 4 5. Create account. Let us go back. ABCD 1 2 3 4 5. Login successful. And what if I write 1 2 3 4 6? Either username password is correct. And if you want to check the data, just go here and open with Notepad. So here is the data. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this, and this is very easy. And if you want to make any kind of changes, like if you want to change the background color and etc., and you guys can do it, right? Just put root.config and you can configure the whole window. Let us just put bg equal to green. Yes, this is changes which you are capable to do of, right? And thank you for watching, guys. And if you guys have any kind of doubts, ping us at our WhatsApp or Gmail, and we will be assisting you. Thank you for watching.